So on behalf of my colleagues, especially Salisha Naidu, the coordinator of Fahamu's Emerging Powers in Africa project, who is unwell and was unable to join us today, and Neet Niagira, who is the executive director of Fahamu, who is unfortunately also traveling and will not be with us today, I wish to wish you a warm welcome to Nairobi. I want to use this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of our keynote speaker, Professor Michael Chege, the founder of the Institute of Diplomacy and International Studies at the University of Nairobi. And to thank the moderators of the upcoming two sessions, Dr. Jamie Monson and Dr. Bob Wekesa, and of course all the panelists. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to all our partners, the Chinese in Africa, Africans in China Research Network, the Graduate School of Media and Communications at the Aga Khan University, the Karibu Foundation, the China-Africa Reporting Project, the WITS China-Africa Reporting Project, the Africa Studies Center at Wisconsin State University, the Ellie Hill Holdings Limited, Africa-China Enterprise Think Tank Research Institute, Sino-Africa Center for Excellence, the Kenya Ministry of Sports Culture, the Kenya Film Classification Board. Thank you very much for your partnership. It's our pleasure to be among the co-hosts of the 4th Conference of the Chinese in Africa, Africans in China Research Network, and the first to be held in Africa, whose theme this year is Convergences and Divergences, Interdisciplinary Intersection of Media and Communication in the Study of Africa-China Mobilities. The study of China's engagement in Africa, and now Africans in China, has attracted the interest of many organizations, including Fahamu. As you might know, Fahamu is an organization established in 1997 and seeks to strengthen, nurture, and work with movements for social justice in Africa by generating knowledge to serve activism, bridging the gap between theory and practice, creating learning opportunities for, by, and across networks, amplifying Africa-centered voices, perspectives, and solutions in policy and decision-making at all levels, and most of all, creating platforms for analysis and debate. Fahamu's Emerging Powers in Africa project was launched in 2008. The overall purpose of this project was to promoting debate and knowledge sharing among African civil society organizations to allow for a better understanding of the cooperative impact and engagement of emerging powers in Africa on issues of social justice. Through a series of news and analysis, seminars and training workshops, as well as research work, Fahamu has been able to contribute to bringing about some changes in the way African civil society organizations understand the impact and engagement of emerging powers in Africa, including China, India, Brazil, and Turkey, among others, on issues of social justice. For instance, research findings that Fahamu has generated have contributed to the change in knowledge and understanding of geopolitical issues with regard to Africa's partnerships with international players. Civil societies that Fahamu has been working with now understand that emerging powers such as China and India, among others, need to be dealt with caution because they, like every other country, are also pursuing their national interests. In addition, at a macro level, research work done by Fahamu and other institutions, as well as debate and analysis generated by these organizations, have contributed to some extent to changing policies by African governments and the African Union itself in how they engage with international players. Though there's still a lot to be done in terms of urging governments to be transparent, there are some African governments that are now being forced to be more transparent in their engagements with foreign players, especially when it comes to signing lucrative contracts with international players. As such, Fahamu is committed to continuing this kind of research and analysis in collaboration with like-minded institutions and groups such as the Chinese in Africa, Africans in China Research Network. I hope that this public seminar and entire conference will contribute to our further understanding of the engagement of China with various African countries, especially roles that can be played by non-state actors to make sure that such governments are transparent and for the benefit of the people of China and Africa. I thank you all, and I wish you good deliberations.